viewers, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an unboxing and install of this glueless Pixie wig from Idefine. And guys, she's so cute. See, look at that color in her. Yeah, she's taking it. So Idefine actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all. So we are going to go ahead and get into it. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into this video. Okay, so here's the wig from Idefine. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it and see what she's giving. Let me see, do I have a razor over here? Idefine always comes through with like the perfect short glueless wigs that you can throw on, and you can really make a fantastic collection from Idefine. So let's see what she's giving today. Okay, so here is the box. It says Idefine 100% virgin hair. Let's go ahead and open her and see what she's giving. And all of their wigs are very decently priced. It's not anything crazy. And these are those nice, like, mature wigs. Like, I think they kind of eat. Especially if you like to switch it up to a bob or short hair. Because sometimes I want a bob and then sometimes I want to switch it to something long. Like, it goes back and forth. So we got a little color today, but we're going to put that to the side for now. It does come with two wig caps, a light one and a dark one. So if you are lighter, or you like your scalp and your wigs to look lighter, because our scalps are a little lighter than, you know, our skin tone, you got the lighter one or you got the darker one. So it's up to you. And there is a little flyer that tells you how to care for the hair. It has any FAQs, frequently asked questions about the wig, and their return or exchange policy. So all that is in there. But let's go ahead and look at this wig and see what she's giving. So this is like their Pixie wig almost is what it was called. So let's see. Here it is. You guys see that little highlight? I love just a little bit of highlight. I think that eats. When it's one beat and like a highlighted blonde color, I'm obsessed. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, so here it is. She's kind of shorter. I hope look at the back though. I like the way that curls. That is very cute. I like the way that curls a lot. Like, bam. And you see, it's like little glimpses of color. So you got a little some in here. And then here is the front, you guys. So you can do the middle part right there. It's kind of already plucked, or it's just like a side, because it is a little curvy. Let's see. Let's see how much lace we have on this wig. But yeah, she's cutesy. That's short and cutesy. Short and cute. Okay, let me take it off of this little paper. So it does have an elastic band, so it is adjustable. If you have a smaller head, you can make it smaller. Have a bigger head, like, you're fine. Like, that's fantastic. So this is the amount of lace you get. So that's a nice amount of parting space. You can still do a side part, like kind of like switch it over a little bit when you want a left or right side part. Or you can also always do a middle part. So that's a nice amount of parting space. And as you can see, the lace is already cut. There are combs in this wig. There's a comb, there's a comb, there's a comb. So it should be pretty secure with those combs and the elastic band. But let's go ahead and put this wig on and see what she's giving. Like, I want to see if she's cutesy. I think the color is really gonna make it work. I like it. Hold on, let's see. Style her a little bit. Let's style her to make it look like the picture. But you all see the curl action. Like, you see the curl. Like, you see, I look like a teacher. Like, I look like a fine teacher right now. Hold on, let's get the bang to look the way it needs to look. But like, look, that is short. That's like an itty bitty pixie cut. My goodness. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little heat on this to like flatten it out, and let's put a little makeup in the part so the part can just eat the way we need the part to eat. Oh, okay. I feel like I look like Halle Berry. Is it giving Halle Berry, chat? Chat, do I look like Halle Berry? Do I look like Halle Berry? Oh no. Okay, this is just my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm just adding right here. And of course you can wear this completely glueless. Like, this thing is snug on my head too. Like, she's very fitted. So bam. Might even add like a little baby hair so she can really eat. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of mousse too before I actually put the hot comb on. And that's gonna be about all we need to do to this wig to make her look cutesy. I think I do want to add a little baby hair, but it's giving, Chad, do I look like Holly Berry? Okay, let's do this. And now I'm gonna separate a little bit of the baby hair. Okay, now it's coming together a little more. Now that looks a little better, I think. Like, this is super short. It's giving Carrie Hilson. That's what it's giving, especially with this chain. Like, if it was some pearls, I would look like a real housewife. Like, okay, so I'm just gonna cut this piece to make some baby hair. And then we're gonna slick it down. Got my little mousse. Now she's cutesy. And now I see the vision. Let me kind of, I'm gonna run my flat iron through the bangs so they can just flip right really quickly. And then, yep, that's the vision. Now she's eating. Now she's cutesy. Okay, guys, and bam, that is it. Like, I look like a cute little housewife. This is so adorable. And the blonde just makes it, it eats you guys. Idefine, this is so, so cutesy. Like, look at that. Like, especially with it being the summer, you don't want too much hair on the back of your neck or anything. So this is so, so cute. I love the curls. Like, look at that. So, yes, 10 out of 10, you guys. So definitely check out this wig from Idefine. It's going to be linked in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.